Thank you, Lord.
This is event number 110, Heat 3. In lane 3 is Donaire Candice Dale of CACDS. In lane 4 is Perez Atia Cyril of PRBST. Lane 5, Paneza Maria Paulino of GTSC. Lane 6, Alba Alexandra Gwen of SWST. Lane 7, Tacorda Denise Marie of PRBST. Lane 8, Mendoza Diana Lindsay of ASS.
Go, baby, go, 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 baby, go, go, there, go, touch, touch, touch. Nice.
Thank you,